Okay, so now this is a program which Granite is conducting. For those who do not know, we have a group of teachers in Granite, the Granite teaching community called Granite Guru. Tessie teacher is the founding member of the team, and we conduct programs. This is the second presentation. The first one was on video editing, and I think that is also there available in our YouTube channel. So like this, if teachers find something interesting to share for the teaching community or for students, we can conduct programs like this. This is apart from the graded courses which happen on a daily basis. Okay, so I would like to welcome all the teachers and all the students who came today for this program. And Mr. Gangu has been forthcoming to do a program like this because this is a season, this is a time when students need to create their portfolios, and there are pitfalls in using such kind of cyber spaces. There are security issues, and a good portfolio and a good way in which you present yourself can land you in dreamlands. And even if you are a great person, you have great achievements, but if you don't present that to in a proper manner to people who are going to see that, maybe you will miss some accolades. So I would invite Tessie teacher to formally kickstart this session by introducing Gangadhar Naik alias Gangu. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Mr. Gangadhar Naik is a social science and a commerce teacher in Indian school, Muscat, in Oman. Mr. Gangadhar Naik is a very enthusiastic and innovative and a vibrant educator. He's a recipient of Academic Excellence Award of CBSE Teachers under Board of Directors, Muscat, Oman. He is also a resource person of Center for Excellence, CBSE, Delhi. He's a very approachable person and very helpful to everyone, and a very good human being. Definitely, you all will enjoy his session of this e-academic portfolio. You all know that it's a relevant topic nowadays. Hearty welcome to Mr. Gangadhar Naik and everyone to enjoy this Granite session. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you, Tessie ma'am, for all those good words. And again, those good words from my close friend, Tessie ma'am. Mr. Satish Kumar, Director, Granite, esteemed members of this Granite, invited guests, teachers, students, well-wishers. Good evening to every one of you. We will not waste our time. We will directly go to our business. But before we proceed, what is portfolio? One simple definition I got from the website. It stands for compiling materials that exemplifies you. What are those materials that are related to you? Your beliefs, your qualifications, the training which you have received, the experiences you gained, awards you have received, contributions to the society. So a good portfolio convinces anybody who checks your portfolio, who are you? So with that note, let's go to our business. And all of you must have signed into the Gmail now. I hope you have a Gmail account. That's very important for us. You can log into this site. All of us, we will do create portfolio live. Can you all log in? Can you see this page when you log into that? Click on this plus button. You can click on that plus button. You are getting this page. Okay. And here, okay, now what do you want to? I think you can write, for example, you can write your name. This is my portfolio. So you can write your name. For example, I'm writing my name. If you want to decrease the font size, of course you can. Okay, are we done? Those who have a Gmail, of course, you can also go to the mail like this. Okay, you have the 9 dots here. Okay, you may get here. There is an option called for sites. You may get this. Okay, you can see here. There is a button here. You can also click on this. I've given you the direct link. That is why we are in that page. Those who did not get the link, of course, you can go to your Google Gmail. You can go to the 9 dots on the right side. This side. There is an option for sites. Click on the sites. You will come to the same page which I have shown you. And here now, of course, we are in this page. Now you can also name here. This side also you can write your name. Okay. This is untitled site. Okay, you can also put your name. So this is what so far we have done. Okay, do you want to put any logo? You can add your logo, your school logo. As a teacher, if you want to add any logo, your photo, you can add your, okay, anything. Do you want to change the background where I have written Gangadhar? You can also do that. You can select the image. You can select the image from the website if you want. Okay, or there are some templates given. It's left to you to select. Okay, let me select this one. Select it. You can also do. Now, this is the home page. Now, what do you want to add here? Do you want to talk about yourself? Okay. Can you see here on the right side, insert? You can see the insert here. There is an option for text box. There is an option for text box. Click on that. So you get this button here. Did you click? What do you want to add here? For example, I will show you the sample of a student who has done it, who has done the portfolio. What she has done, look at, she has given her details, student details, family details, my introduction, that is my interest, books, cycling, watching movies, my favorite game. She has taken pictures. There is an option for uploading. Okay, aimed, okay, attached to my ambition, my role model, or any other details. So same similar way you can also add. Okay, we are just showing you the demo. For example, my details, my personal details. You can my personal details. You can, of course, you can drag this from okay. Below that, if you want, of course, you can start typing whatever points you want to. It's the text box, you get it from the right side. Tesima, by chance, if any questions, let me know, because I'm now looking at the chat box. Hope all of you are doing it. Did you reach till here? Any, okay, this is one, my details. Do you want to paste your photo? You can just double click here. See, there is this type of icon will come. Anywhere, if you click on, double click on this page, you can have this icon. You can upload from Google Drive. You can take it from desktop. Let me take a photo. I will take from my drive. Okay. Generally, all things to be in the Google Drive. That's why I said to log in to your school account, so it is easy to, or any Gmail account. This is my profile which I created. I'm taking one photo of mine just for example. You can also try to take one photo if you have. I'm taking this photo, insert it. So this is my photo. You can set accordingly my details. I can type. This is, sir, do you want to now? Okay. This is my details as a teacher. As a student, of course, you have your own details to be added. Do you want to add more pages here? For example, this is one. Can you see in the insert page, can you see there is an option called divider? Can you see that?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, divider. Click on divider. See, there is next page is added. This is my personal now. Okay, you can see here one more page is added. Double click on that. You will have a text box. You can add my family. For example, as a teacher, I can say my family. So separate page is added here. Now about family, if you want, we can write. You can take from insert itself. We can take the text box if you want. Okay. My wife. Okay, my children. For the students, of course, you can write my father, mother. Okay, educational qualification, their photos. You can have different colors for your fonts. All can be. And if you want to add the photo, double click. So like here, anywhere you can double click. Of course, you have an option icon coming like this. You can use this icon to upload the images. You can upload from the Google Drive. This is one. That means your photo must be in the Google Drive. Or you can also take it from the desktop. This is your home page. This is mainly your home page. Okay. Of course, you want more pages, again, click somewhere. You can click on divider. It will give you more pages. So maybe my ambition, you can add. Or there are patterns here. You can see many. Can you see right side? There are different available patterns. Let me click on this fourth one. See, I'm getting options here. Okay. Here also you can upload images. You can type here what do you want to say, anything. So that option is also you are having, that is left to you. You can add anyway. So pages, remember divider. Okay, this is the home page. More details, of course, you need to experiment. Okay. So far, is that clear? Yes. Are you all with me? All the participants, all the teachers, and all the students. For the students, of course, you have to fill in your details, whatever details you want to. Okay. For the teachers, of course, teachers' details, because it is meant for all. Because generally, what happens, we do many activities, we don't file those evidences. We need evidences. Otherwise, how do we prove that you are a good teacher or a good student? Anybody can check when you share this link to anybody. Okay. Now, after this, so this is the home page. How do I create more pages? Now check this insert option. There is an option. Go to the pages. Pages, already you have home page added, so nothing to worry about it. Now, sir, I want to, as a teacher, as a student, can you tell me what can be the next item to be added in your profile? You can use chat box. What can be the next item? Personal details, all you're given. School might have given you the school performer, am I right? Okay, for us, maybe some of your schools might have given you a school performer, something PDF document or Word document. All right? Are you all with me? Might have. Okay, Alina, I'm coming just a minute. Ma'am, okay, I think Alina Maria Vinod might be the student because there is a reference to qualification. Yeah, my interest, okay. First, okay, if anything you can, okay. Let us go to, I think I will go to, who is that? Somebody gave me the, my achievements, okay, whatever, fine. Can you see there is a button here, plus under pages, home page is already done. This is my home page, my personal details, okay. Can you see a plus button? Click on plus button. Here, bottom. Can you all see? Tessie ma'am? I
Yes,
think I'll
yes.
take Tessie ma'am. Okay. Tessie ma'am is a good student, so I will take her. Plus on that. Okay, now please type whatever pages you want to create. Maybe my school performer can be, or my classwork can be, or my experience as a teacher, whatever. So I will take my school performer, because my school, for example, Indian School Muscat has given one performer to be filled by the students. So my school performer, done. Can you see now this page is added? My home page is this, where I have photos, my family details. You can see my school performer. If you want to decrease the size of this, of course you can do, so that in a single line you can see your school performer. Look at this. Okay. If you want to change the ink, the color, you can. I will go for the yellow, for example. It looks nice here. My school performer. Now here.
Sir,
Yeah.
because of I have an internet problem, sir, it could leave.
Okay, no problem, no problem. I think we will have a recorded session. Any doubt, you can approach us. We will be helping you. Okay, don't
Okay,
worry.
sir.
Okay, no, don't worry. Okay, have you all reached the school performer page now? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes,
here,
sir.
till my school has given a performer. If it is not given, if you want to type, of course, you know, already I said in insert page, you have an option for text box. Okay, let's take a school has given a performer. Double click here. Can you see here this icon coming? If the school performer is in your Google Drive, if it is not there, later you can experiment. For the timing, I'll show you. I'm going to the Google Drive. I've clicked on Google Drive. See, this is my drive, my portfolio. I've just created a sample here, my portfolio. So I'm clicking on my portfolio. You can see my page also here, my profile. Portfolio. Okay. I have a performer given by the school. Look at this. Better to make a PDF and keep it ready. I'll just click on this. This is done. It will appear you here now. Okay. This is okay. Don't worry about this society appears like this. Now, how will other people see that? Once we publish it, everything will be clear. Okay. Now you can do this if you have a performer. Roughly, we are doing. If any teacher, if you don't have any such teachers, if you don't have any performer, your philosophy of teaching, you have something about teaching. You want to say something about your profession. For example, I prepared a draft on my philosophy as a teacher. So that PDF is there. So instead of school performer, my philosophy as a teacher. That PDF file is there. You can upload that. It is already saved in your Google Drive. I know now it is not saved, but you can create a Google Drive folder where all your evidences which you want to put it in a portfolio, save it there first. Keep it ready, all the documents. Better to have a PDF file because other files it will not exist. Now, those who have taken this file from the Google Drive, okay, this point is very important. You are in Google Drive, you have taken a file. This performer you have taken from your Google Drive. Please remember this. I'll just share this, what to do. Whatever files you have in Google Drive, whatever, any files which you have created so that you are uploading to the portfolio, that file you should, okay, let me take one example. Okay, this is the profile. Okay, right click on this. Right click on this. Can you see get link? Every file you attach into this portfolio through this Google site, it has to be given access. Otherwise, later when you share the link, nobody can see your file. Click on get link. Okay. I'm just showing a sample. Get link. Okay. For every file, it has to be done. Every file, whenever you attach to the Google site, get link. It is taking some time. Just a minute. Okay. if it is a PDF or any files. Just a minute. Okay. See, now it is restricted. Tessie ma'am, can you see this is restricted?
Yes, yes.
Are you all seeing that? Yeah. See, if I don't allow permission, then nobody can. So I have to see, I have to click on this. Anyone with the link, there is an option. Anyone with the link, you can. Every file should be set up. Once you do that, then next time you need not do it. It is done. Any file. Okay. So please remember that. That's very important. I'm going for again to my site now. I'm here. Okay. Now, next. Now, what is the next item? Your performer is ready. What is the next item? Go to pages. Okay. Again, same process. Plus button. What is the next item? Can anybody unmute? As a teacher, as a student, what can be? School performer is ready. Yeah. What do you want to add?
Qualifications.
Qualifications. Qualifications. For the students, what can it be? Students, can anybody respond? For you, what can it be? Your... Yes, please.
My classwork.
My classwork. Brilliant. My classwork. For the teachers, qualifications. For the students, classwork. Okay, I am going for the students now because majority are students, I think. So I will go for my classworks. I have done this. See, my classwork is ready. Now, how many subjects you have? Classworks. You have 5, isn't it? Now, how do you do that? You have 5 subjects. Am I right? 5, 6 subjects, 7 subjects. You have many subjects. So one page may not be enough. So listen here, all of you. Go to the classwork. Can you see 3 dots here on the right side in the same page? In the inserting page only, classwork, we created a page. Can you see 3 dots there? Yes or
Yes,
no?
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Click on that. Click on that. Click on that. Can you see there is an option called add subpage? Add subpage.
Yes.
Yeah. Click on that. Now, okay, classwork, I have science. So create like this now. Okay, science. Again, go to classwork. Classwork, don't go to science now. Go to classwork. Click on that. Add subpage. What can be the next subject? Maybe I'll take social science. Done. I'm adding pages now. For the classwork, you can't have. Look at this. Pages are being added. Like a website, right? Again, go to classwork. What is the next subject? Anyone? Yes, please. Otherwise, you'll be sleeping.
English.
You don't respond.
English.
Okay, I will go to English. Okay. English. Done. See our page, added pages. Okay. Like this same process now. Add subpage. Any more? One more subject we will take maths. Am I right, dear students?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, maths. Okay. And our own language, please. Malayalam.
Malayalam.
Okay. Yes, added. Look at here. Can you see now whatever pages you added? Can you see?
Hindi.
Ah, okay. We will add Hindi also, yes. Okay, good one. Hindi or Sanskrit. Yeah, Hindi also added. Okay, so these are the classworks. Now, let's take, are you all with me? Following me slowly? Yeah. Now, we will take science. Click on science. Science page is blank now. If you want to take a science practical, anything science looks, okay, you want to change this image, select the image. Okay, go to Google Drive. You can go to search. You can go to search. I will type here science so that I get a good picture for my portfolio. Oh, maybe this is very nice. I will select this. In science, okay, you have this. Oh, you did not like this, you can add any other pictures. Okay, I'm not doing adding any pages. It is left to you. Science is done. Now classwork. Now, do you have physics, chemistry, biology like that in science? How do you add classwork for science? Now you're in the science page. Okay, double click. Everywhere double click. Okay, double click. Take an example. Okay, I will give the title physics. Okay, this is physics now. This page I'm giving for physics only. All my physics chapter wise I'm pasting. Okay, so physics. Okay. Again, double click below. I'll take one simple file just for an example only from the Google Drive. This is my science chapter 1 classwork, chapter 2 classwork, chapter 3 classwork. I'm taking a sample. Okay, I've taken a sample, nothing, just to show you. You can take anything, any file for your reference. Okay, I'm just taking one. This is my maybe. Okay. I think others can unmute, sorry, mute yourself so that there is no disturbance. I'm just taking a simple sample only. I don't have a good pictures. Okay. I'm just taking one picture as a science classwork. Okay. You can take your science notebook, your corrected notebook given by the teachers. This is my science classwork. Okay, or homework I have done. See the pictures properly. Okay. Physics. Now, how do you add pages for chemistry? Can anybody tell me? Now, physics. Okay, one chapter added. Second chapter again. You right click to the right side. Okay. Or do you want separate pattern like this? You can option here. You can have an option here. Look at this. I can write here chapter 1. I can write chapter 2. I can write chapter 3, whatever from physics. Okay. Then how do you add the file? Click on plus. See, click on plus. You can upload file from the Google Drive. Chapter 1 corrected notes sent by the teacher. Chapter 2 corrected notes sent by the teacher. Here, upload. Okay. This is what your science notes ready. Now, what do you do? Chemistry, how do you do? You can't mix with physics.
Divider?
Yes, brilliant. Go to the divider. Double click. Text. Chemistry. Okay, hope you're doing. There is a problem here. It automatically moves, keep on moving. It's stopping us. Yeah. Chemistry. It's the same process. If you want the pattern, take the pattern from here. It will be added here. Then chemistry, chapter 1, like that you keep doing. Physics, again, biology, divider. So in a single page, your science work is remaining. Same way, you have to go for social, English. I won't show it again because it will take more time. Is it clear till now how to add the pages?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And one more question to you. Whenever you take any file from the Google Drive, what is to be done so that there is no problem to somebody who can't see or something? What is to be done?
Get
Anyone?
Get the link.
Get the link. Yeah, restriction to be removed. Yeah. Even if it is a video, you can insert video also, no issue. You can take a link from the YouTube also. Sir, in physics, I did a practical and I have a copy of video of that. You can do that. See, there is an option called, can you see here? There is an option called embed. I will show you there. Where is that? Yeah, can you see that embed? Embed session is there. Or you can also get the link. You can put on button. See, when you press on button, can you see that button? If you want to insert a video from YouTube, the work which you did, or you performed a dance in one of the programs, okay, for the school program, that all comes under co-curricular. How do you add the link? Press on button. When you press on button, you will get the name. Okay, what name? My dance. I'm just giving an example during annual day. And get the link here. Paste the link here. Insert. Finish. Then that video will be seen here. Okay. Of course, for the classwork, you need not do it, but classwork, if any practicals you have done, you can. You can. Is it clear now? Are you all with me, students and teachers?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
That getting the link, could you please show
Yeah.
again how to get
Yeah,
the
okay.
link?
Now, I think it is Smita ma'am. Physics, you did some practical as a student, okay? Or as a teacher, you did a dance for the Children's Day, okay? You can see here, you can embed, either you can click on embed. See, you have to click that URL. How do you get URL? Or how do you get the link? From Google Drive also, you can get the link. I hope you know it. If not, I can show you once. Okay, your video is in the Google Drive. I'm going to the Google Drive now. Okay, I'm showing you. Okay, you can also check any video. Okay, this is my student who has done a news chat. Okay, this is I'm taking myself as a student. Okay, right click, get link. Same process, get link.
Oh, okay.
You know that, isn't it? On the Google, it need not be from the YouTube only. Get link. Most of our students know it. Okay, as there is a doubt, I'm just okay. See, restriction must be opened. Everyone, it should be every. It's taking time. Okay. Again, I'm sorry. Get link. Okay, now it is restricted. I will click to everyone. Copy the link. Smita ma'am, see, I'm copying the link now. See, I'm
Okay,
copying
sir.
from here. Copy the link. Yeah, copied. Now I am coming to my site. Look at my site. I'm going to button. Look at button. My news reading. I click, paste, insert.
Okay.
Look at this. This is the news. Now it will appear like this. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay.
Now, before we proceed, let us publish whatever work we did. We want to publish it. Can you all look at, because the site is not published now. We only created rough work. Okay. You can check all your homework. That means your home page. You can update later, whatever you want to do. Okay, my name. Okay, if you want to add any logo, for example, you can. Okay, upload logo. I'm just showing you how to upload. I'll take my from desktop, my school icon or logo. You can take anything which you want. As a student, of course, you can take school one. Okay, I don't have. I will take my own picture. Let it go. It's done. You can see here my photo is done. Okay. Now let us publish. Can you see right side? Can you see right side top blue? Publish. Can you see here? All of you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, publish it. Publish. Okay. Now in your site, you can't. You can give your name, any pet name. I'm given my name is Gangadhara, so my site will be okay. This is the site. Publish it. If you want to add any name, okay. If you want to reset again, you can go to publish. Okay. Publish setting. Change the name. For example, I want to change it to Gangu. Okay, I have saved it. My site is ready. Okay. Now this site you have to bookmark. Okay, on 3 dots, right? Because how do you remember this site? Or copy the link. Can you see how do you copy the link? There is an option here. Can you see here? Next to plus button. Never add anybody here. Never add anybody here because the moment you add here, they can remove your files and all. You have to restrict them. Never share from here. That is only for collaborating with somebody else. Get the copies. See, can you see here one icon? Copy, publish the site link. Are you all with me? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Copy the link from there. Copy the link. Now, how do you remember this? Easy way. How do you remember the copied link? See, whenever you go to Google, for example, the main page. Do you get this type of page where you can add? Can you see this? Adding a site. Either you have to bookmark or you can add here. Okay, I pasted my copied link there, and this is my site. Okay, you can also do now so that you don't forget your. Okay, see, my site is added here. Whenever I click, it will come to my page. See, this is my page. Any doubt? Did you copy the link, save somewhere, or you can bookmark 3 dots, bookmark or star, whatever there is an option for, right? Favorites, anything, you can do that. It's left to you. Have you done this much? Hello? Did you save the link? Because after doing this work, if you don't save the link, you may be having a tension. Then where is my site? Where is my portfolio create? Have you all done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Anybody has any doubts so far? Okay. Now we have not created many pages, dear students and teachers. Okay, for the teachers, instead of classwork, we can write. Okay, next page for the teachers. If you want next page, go to the pages. Okay, go to the pages. Same process now, same process. Plus button. What can the next page for the teachers? For the teachers, you want to create your portfolio. You created the portfolio talking about yourself. Okay, what can be the page for the teachers? Anyone?
Achievements.
Yeah, my achievements. What about for the teacher students?
So certificates.
Certificates means you are talking of the co-curricular.
So co-curriculars and then including the competitions that we have.
Yeah, that you can take it as a co-curricular. Don't say certificates, co-curricular. So instead of achievements, you can type as co-curricular. But what about your exams and all? So many options are there, right? Your examinations. Examination in periodic assessment 1, periodic assessment 2, that you can take examinations. Quizzes are separate, that you say have separate. You have projects, art integrated, have separate pages like that. So let us take examinations, right? So for the teachers, of course, examination is done, decrease the size of this, okay? So that it is in a single line, examinations. So many options to add examination, child writing a test. For example, you can add the image here, examinations. Within examination, do you want to add subpage, 3 dots? You know, already I told you subpage, okay? PA1, done. Within the examination, do you want one more subpage for the PA2? Add subpage, PA2, done. Okay, like PA1. Now PA1, for the students, did you get a response from the school when you submit the answer, quiz, whatever examination you conducted? You get one response to the Gmail, to your mail, am I right? Do you get? Hello?
Yes, yes.
You get a response, submission succeeded or result. After releasing the result, you get your score, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. You can add, instead of, okay, either you can have a PDF, you know how to take PDF from Google form. If you don't know, go to that link or to the response which you get from the school, that Google form. Copy the link, okay? Come to the periodic assessment 1, okay? Here, insert, button, PA1. Same way like how Smita ma'am asked for inserting the link. Here, Google form link you paste, insert. Can you do that now, any one of you? Or those, all the students can do that. Go to your mail, okay? You have option for whatever response you got from the school. Schools have released the scores, science, maths, everything. I'll show you one example. PA1, I'm inserting the link. Okay, just let me go to my Google Drive, my drive. Where is my response? There is a Google form here. See, this is my first periodic assessment, sample only, first periodic assessment response. This is my response, okay? I got from the school, okay? I can share the link. I can get this link, copy this link from here, or from send also you can copy the link. I have copied it, the response which you got from the school, okay? Result. I come to the button, press A1, copy the link, paste it, insert. Look at this. Publish. Every time you have to publish. Every time you have to publish. Okay, this is how it looks like. Look at this review. See the can you see that I can now moment I press. See, it is going to that. Can you see now? So very easy, very easy. Entire score can be seen. It is not merely you score 20 out of 20, which mark teacher can see where is the mistake. Entire form can be seen.
What about the quizzes?
Quizzes, ma'am, same thing. Same thing. You have an option here for editing, right? Quizzes, go to insert, pages. You have to add one page. Don't mix everything. Examination. Quizzes, add a sub page. Quizzes. For the teachers, anything. For the teachers, anything. You got award, your achievements, your qualification, your newspaper report publications, your PhD thesis, anything. Have separate pages, whatever you want to. Okay. So quizzes, TESIMAM quizzes I did. And maths, how many quizzes you did? We don't know. Maybe 10 quizzes, 5 quizzes. Either you can add like button or directly, if it is a PDF file, okay, I'm writing here, for example, TESIMAM is, I'm sorry, quiz 1. Quiz 1 is done. I'm inserting that file on the Google Drive, quiz 1. I'm taking a sample, like that quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 4, quiz 5, quiz 6, any number of files. And this is quiz 1, my paper, okay, I'm just showing you, okay, this is quiz 1. If you want more pages, how do you do more pages? I'm sorry, can anybody? How do you add more pages? Hello? How do you add more pages? If you want, I have quiz number 2 here. Yeah?
Yes, insert.
Insert.
No. See, quiz number 1, and now I want to add page here. No, below.
Divider.
Yes, divider. Okay. After dividing, do you want more pattern? Without divider, sometimes because the footer is coming, you can't add. Okay. Then you have any pattern. Look at your TESIMAM. Look at this is easiest one. Okay. Quiz 1. Anyway, you have to learn quiz 1. Okay. Let me write shortly. Quiz 1. Because we don't have much time, right? I'm sorry. Just a minute. Quiz 2. Quiz 3, n number of quiz. Quiz 3. Then you upload file, PDF. If you want to upload the link, of course, you can upload the link also.
Okay.
And whatever you do, immediately publish. Don't forget to publish. Okay? Don't forget to publish. Publishing is very important. Okay. So I taught you, so far we learned, you don't have much time, home page, what to do. We created separate page for school performer where you upload your performer given by the school. PDF is better. Okay, classworks, we created separate for each one. Keep adding files, examination, PA2. Then later, for example, what is the PA? After that, are you going to have a exam now? First time examination. Am I right, students? Are you all with me? Hello?
Yes.
Excuse me. Yeah, now we are going to have a term 1 examination. Add the page. Go to examination, pages, You see examination here, 3 dots, right click, add subpage. First term. The moment you get the paper, keep it here. Don't forget to keep, okay, anywhere, keep it here. For the teachers, you have done the dance, you have done the special assembly for Gandhi Jayanti. You can write a page like my achievements, my special assemblies. There, whatever you did, or you are contributing to the charity club, you are in the charity club member, whatever achievements. So you need not search for any documents later. Everything is here. Everything is in Google Drive. So nobody should see my file. Definitely go to the Google Drive, restrict. Safety is there. Nobody can harm you. The moment you restrict, nobody can. Moment you restrict or moment you remove restriction, anybody can see. Okay. So we understood how to add pages. Yes or no? Hello? Understood how to add pages, sub pages.
Yes.
Am I right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand how to take Google form link directly so that entire form? Otherwise, what happens, children? You are taking only a screenshot. You are taking only a screenshot and showing only your marks. But if teacher wants to know your performance there, where was the mistake, which question he or she has not done better. So you take the link from the response you got from the school. Easy. Or Google form, you can take a PDF, go to the print option. Google form is there. Okay, take an example. This is the 1 minute. This is the Google form. Is there any option for printing? Yeah, print option, right click. Here, save as a PDF. See, the moment I save as PDF, it will be saved as PDF. Entire response. Look at this. I can save anywhere, and later I can add it to the link. PDF also can be, entire Google form can be downloaded as a PDF.
There is
Yes,
a question in the Facebook Live that is there a possibility to alter something or edit something after
yes,
you
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
publish?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Yes, I'm coming to that. So this is my site now. This is published site. Okay. There is a published. This is my publish. There is an option for. Okay, you publish this. I am publishing now. Okay, but there is an problem here. Okay, I will go to my site. Another site I have created. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll just go to my site. How to edit it? Okay, I'm just showing my site, not this rough work. I'm showing my. This is my profile. This is my portfolio. Can you see my portfolio? Look at this.
Yes.
This is my portfolio. Now see here, moment I click on my this, I have to teach you more because it needs more time. This is one way I did. Now the moment I click these pictures, it will go to my app. Children, you can do it slowly. This is the basic thing I taught. Sir, Satish sir, can you see this is publisher? Can you see all of you? Did you publish your site? Publish the site and view it fully. Come on, all of you. Publish your site and you will get an option bottom view. Once you publish the site, are you getting it? In the bottom, you can see publish the site. Or view you can see here published. There is a button here, view published site. I'm viewing published site. Can you see that? See, this is the profile. Are you all seeing published site? Should I repeat? Hello?
Children.
You have to
Yes,
respond.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, see here, right option, blue color, publish. There is an option for viewing published site. If you want to edit, because there was a question there, how to edit. Now this is the published site. Only you people will have this option. Can you see on the right side bottom, one pen-like structure, editing? Can you see here?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Click on that. Click on that. You will go to the editing mode. Sir, this is how they have to go for editing. They can add, they can remove. But whenever they edit, they should publish. Every time they should publish. If they don't publish, nothing will be saved. Nothing will be recorded. Okay. I think, sir, I have clarified that doubt. That is,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, this is the second question from the Facebook Live.
Yeah.
Previous one was from Alishba Khan. Now this is from Raji Joseph. So
Okay.
after creating the site, how do you share it with your teachers when they ask us to submit the portfolio?
Yes, sir. So, okay, all of you, can you see here? I already shared with you. Can you see here? Now it is published. See this button here. There is an option for sharing. Can you see here? Link. Get
Yes.
copy published link. Yeah. Some of you already saved in that Google platform. Otherwise, copy link from here. Look at this is my site. Copy the link. The link is copied. Go to your mail. Okay, whom do you want to send? I want to send to my maths teacher, Tessie ma'am. Okay, my portfolio. Hi ma'am, my portfolio. Okay. Because whenever you address the teacher, please do have that courtesy to say hi ma'am, good evening. Site is shared. You can send the mail. Or if they have created, sir, if they have created any Google Class folder for like how they upload the classworks, there also they can upload the link. And home page, okay? Home page. I want to go to school performer. How do this is one way of navigation. If anybody wants to have navigation on the side, go to the settings. Go to the settings. Look at here. Are you all with me? Go to the settings if you want the side. I like the top one. Navigation means this. Okay, from one page to another page you are going. Okay, this one. If you want the side, go to the settings. There is an option for side. You can click on side. Look at this. It will come on side.
Oh.
Okay, publish it. Whenever you do publish, whatever changes you do, you have to publish. Otherwise, it won't appear on the site. Okay.
Okay.
That's fine. Okay. Last thing. Okay. There are so many things to learn. I follow this basic principle. This is my mantra. What is the mantra? Is this? Okay. The mantra is very simple. 10% I give you the idea. 20% I have demonstrated you. Now 70% is left to you to learn. This is how we learn in school or anywhere. 10% I have given you basic idea. 20% demo. 70% you learn. Because within 1 hour we can't teach the basic things. The last important point. Last important point. Okay, with that let me stop today. Now, sir, in activity, for example, let me add one page just to show you co-curricular. I'm just showing you one sample. Co-curricular. I'm sorry if I do any spelling mistake. Co-curricular. This is done. Co-curricular. Sir, I have taken part in cricket or any sports. N number of pictures I have in school. Okay, what do I do? I'll tell you one thing. How do I add pictures? Okay. Can you see image arousal? Carousel. Can you see here one option called?
Yes.
Okay. Click on that. Add pictures. Whatever pictures you want. Your sports. So anybody can navigate pictures. So I'm taking few pictures. This is what my participation. Okay. 13 items selected. Insert. Insert. It's taking some time. 1 minute. Yeah. All pictures are added. It will appear like this. Don't worry. It is not one page. Publish it. Or let me do one thing. Whenever I go for this, I have a problem. I will go to published view, published site. Let me see how it appears. Where did I add the pictures? I think I have added pictures. Co-curricular, where is it? Adding homework. Getting that page. Sorry. Anyway. I'll remove that page co-curricular. Here, yeah, here I. Just a minute. So many sites I have opened. So look at here. It is not showing me. I'm sorry. It is okay. I'll just stop here with the last option. Is that clear how to add the pictures? Have you understood how to add the pictures? If you want all the pictures under co-curricular anything, go to that page. There is an option for image. Okay, insert. See image carousel. Click on that, add images, whatever you want. It will be appearing. After that, you publish it. Okay. So last option. With that, let me stop. So this is one way of navigation. Another way of navigation. How do I do? Click on this picture, for example. This is the picture. Okay. Click on this. Can you see this link? Something? Can you see? Go to the home page. All of you go to the home page. Time up because many students started leaving. Okay, are you all with me? Last one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. For example, other way of navigation. Just to show you, I click on the picture. See, there is a link coming here. There is an option for link. Can you see, Tessie ma'am, this option?
Yes.
Yeah. Click on this. See now which page you want to go. Which page? Already created pages. Which page you want to go? Do you want to go to classwork? Do you want to go to examinations? Let's say examination. Okay, applied. So this is examination. The way after publishing, the moment you click on this picture, it will directly go to examination. So like that also you can navigate. This is the best way to navigate. Okay, so keep learning. There are so many things to be taught.
One question is there.
Enough. Yeah, but the basic things I have taught you: how to add pages, how to add subpages, how to insert the link. Okay, but all folders, all the files must be in the Google Drive.
One question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
One question is in the chat. One or two questions. Co-curricular activities. Can we add multiple PDFs?
Yeah. You can add multiple, but in a single, for example, see here, but okay, one PDF. Next, if you want, go to the divider, add one more pages, sub pages, add there. Or there is an option for you to have this type of patterns. See, you can add n number of PDF. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you want more? Go to the divider. Again, further insert. You can do. There is a question here from the chat box. What is that? Co-curricular only this year. That is like we have to talk to the school, whichever school you are. Maybe 2 years or 3 years. Earlier achievements can be, because that shows profile is to, portfolio is to tell about you to the others. Okay, Seren. So can we add multiple PDFs? Yeah, you can add multiple pages. Yes, ma'am, I think I have clarified both the doubts.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you for all those who have participated. I think the golden mantra of this learning and any learning, Gangu sir had mentioned here, 70% is your learning. But I just want to add one more word of caution. You have to also go and, understand a bit about the security and safety when you do things like this, when you do sharing of information. I think probably another session on advanced concepts, I think Venu sir can do at another time, because 1 hour is so short. So this could be a good beginner's guide for you. You can do some work. And after probably 3-4 weeks, we will request Venu sir again. Can he do one more session on advanced concepts? Is that okay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.